Yeah, I'm pretty fucking nervous. This is literally the rarest, most sought after, most valuable home espresso machine ever built. And I've been working on it for a lot of weeks now and put many hours in restoring it. Let's put it back together.